Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release a crochet tutorial every week. So today I'm just bringing to you a new crochet tutorial on how to crochet the triangle granny stitch. It's really good if you want to crochet a shawl, for example, or any project that you want. So I'm just going to walk you step by step through this process. I did make a shawl recently using this technique, and I will be linking it here and in the down bar. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. So for this project you will need some yarn. I chose some chunky yarn, but you can choose whichever yarn weight that you want. Just make sure that you use a corresponding crochet hook written on the back of your packet. I will be using a 6mm crochet hook and I will be using US terms. To begin this tutorial, you will be creating a slip knot. So just go ahead and create a slip knot. Pop your hook through that slip knot. And now you are going to be chaining 4. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now we are simply going to be slip stitching through that first chain to close to create a circle, a ring. So now that we've got this ring, we are going to be starting our first round, which is chaining 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and this first chain 4 counts as your first double crochet and chain space. So now that you've chained 4, you are going to be placing 3 double crochets within that center. So just wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the center and create a double crochet into that. As you can notice, I will be tidying up my loose end as I go along. And now I'm just going to add my 2 more double crochets to create the 3. So just go ahead and do that. There we go. And this is our first cluster of 3 double crochets. Now we are going to be chaining 2, 1 and 2, and place another 3 double crochet within that center. So just go ahead and place another 3 double crochets within that center, like so. And to finish off this round, you are going to be chaining 1 and placing 1 last double crochet inside this center. And this is what round 1 will look like. So it's absolutely beautiful, and it's a very simple pattern that you will be able to pick up really easily. So now for round 2, we are going to be chaining 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn your work, so like this. And now we are going to be placing 3 double crochets within this space from the previous row. So just go ahead, and this chain 4 counts as a double crochet and chain 1. So now just go ahead and place 3 double crochets within this space. And now we are simply going to be chaining 1, and we're going to go into the next space, which is also the center. So just go ahead and place 3 double crochets inside this center. 1, 2 and 3. And because this is the center, we are going to be chaining 2, 1 and 2, and placing another 3 double crochets within, so another 3 double crochets within that space. and this creates our center. So this will be the same every time we reach the center. This will be the same at every row. So now we are going to be chaining 1, and we are going to be going into the next space, which is this space here, and placing 3 double crochets into that. So 2 and 3, chain 1 and place 1 last double crochet into this space. And this is what it looks like, and you see it creates the increases as we go along. So it's a very repetitive pattern. It's very easy to pick up. So now I'm just going to show you round 3. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you see it's always the exact same principle. This counts as your first double crochet plus chain 1. You're going to go into this space and place 3 double crochets into that. So 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, go into the next chain space and place 3 double crochets into that. So 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, and now we're going to go into the center once again. And so for this center we are going to be placing 3 double crochets, 2 and 3, chain 2, 1 and 2 and 3 double crochets and 3, and this creates our center. Chain 1, go into the next chain space and place 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, chain 1 and go into the last chain space here and place 3 double crochets. So 1, 2 and 3, chain 1 and so chain 1 and place 1 last double crochet within this space. There we go. And this is our third round completed. So now that we've completed round 3, I'm simply going to show you round 4 briefly because it's just the exact same pattern. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, turn your work, and now, and this counts as your first double crochet in chain 1, and now you are simply going to be placing 3 double crochets within that space. So 1, 2 and 3, chain 1, go into the next chain space and place 3 double crochets into that, chain 1 and go into the next chain space and place 3 double crochets, chain 1 and go into the center and place 3 double crochets, chain 2 and another 3 double crochets. So I'm just unraveling my skein of yarn, sorry. So I'm just gonna place my second and third double crochet to finish off the center. Now I'm just gonna chain 1, go into the next space and place 3 double crochets into that, and chain one. So chain one, go into the next chain space and place 3 double crochets into that, chain one, and this is our last chain space, so just place 3 double crochets into that, chain one, and one last double crochet. So I'm just going to let you carry on with this pattern. And so thank you for tuning in to this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for a new crochet tutorial every week. And yeah, bye bye.